Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you how I've made these really cute faux cupcakes. These look absolutely fab for party decor, for Halloween or for any other time of the year really. They can be tailored to the seasons. So today I'm going to share with you how I made them. For this craft we just need a small tub and we're going to be using all-purpose filler. And we've got an old knife, some cake pop sticks, some sprinkles, and I've got some black acrylic paint. First thing we need to do is we need to take the filler and we're just going to scoop a generous amount into the tub. We need to try and make as much as we think we're going to need in one go so we don't have to keep repeating the process. Once you've got that, we're just going to pop in some black paint. I've already made an orange one, a green one and a purple one. So for this one I'm doing black. We need quite a generous amount because we don't want it to look grey when we've mixed it all. If once you've mixed it you feel that the colour is too light, then all you need to do is take your paint and just pop in some more and continue mixing. Now we've got our cake pop stick and our polystyrene ball. We're going to look for the circle underneath the polystyrene ball and we're going to push the cake pop stick into there as straight as possible and quite far up so it holds it quite sturdy. Then we're going to take the filler mix and we're just going to start spreading it on as if it was a cupcake. And we're just going to keep spreading it round and we're going to cover all of the polystyrene ball. Now that it's totally covered, now we can go round with the knife and we can start to smooth it out and make it look a little bit neater. So we're just going to take the knife and I'm just going to start running it around the edge and twizzling the cake pop while I do it and then just wiping off any excess. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to look a little bit neater and a bit like you would expect to see a cake pop. If you get any marks on your cake pop stick, then you can just take a baby wipe and they will just rub off and it keeps your cake pop stick looking nice and neat. And once you're happy with how your cake pop is looking, then you can either leave it as it is, as I did with my green one here. I left it as it was there and I didn't add any sprinkles, but I added sprinkles to the others. Or you can now decorate it. You can use different kind of embellishments, or you can use sprinkles, or you can just leave it as it is so it just looks like a traditional cake pop. So for this one, I've got some polymer clay sprinkles here, so I think I might just dip it in and just let a few stick to it. To stand my cake pops up to dry, I found that if you just make a ball out of foil, then you can just wedge them into the centre and that will stand them up perfectly and allow them to dry. And that's one of my top tips for drying out your cake pops. And that is how I've been making my faux cake pops. I think they look quite realistic and they look perfect if you've got some Halloween decor and you just want it like in the background or to go on a tier tray or something. I think they look absolutely great. Like on my other ones, once they're dry, you can add a bit of a ribbon to them just to make them look a little bit fancier, or you can just leave them plain. They will take about 24 hours for the filler to dry and go solid, so just leave them to rest until then and then they'll be ready to add to your decor. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will look forward to seeing you on my next one. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.